Welcome back to Test Automation Tool Selenium. For better understanding this video session, please do watch to the previous video sessions. Agenda for today is what are operators and different types of operators in Java programming, and arithmetic operators and relational operators and conditional statements in Java programming. Operators, what is operator? The first question is operators. It performs operations on one or two or three operators, and it returns some results in user defined format. There are 5 types of operators in Java programming. The first one is arithmetic operator, the second one is relational operator, and the third one is bitwise operator, fourth one is logical operator, fifth one is assignment operator. In this video session I'll be covering only 2 operators. First one, arithmetic operator and relational operator. What is arithmetic operator? Here it is to do some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, or modulus, or increment or decrement operations. For relational operator, it can be defined as to find out the relation between the two operands or two values in the program. There are so many operators that are provided by the developers to find out the equal between the two operators, two operands or two values. Find out the not equal to, or you can also find out operands which is greater than or which is less than or equal to or less than equal to. These kind of operations can be comparing with the operands can be done in relation operators. Go to the Eclipse IDE. Here I have created the project called session 3, and under that I have created one package called demo.operators. Under that I have created one class called operators. First one I'll explain in this moment. First one is arithmetic operators. For this I'll define 2 variables. Here I have defined 2 variables. One is laptop and second one is mobile. And also I will initialize some values for laptop and the mobile. This is called initialization for the variables. 8000 I'll give. The first one is addition operator. How to use it? Just I'll put in just in the system.out.println statement. Just printing some addition of laptop and mobile prices is colon. Here just amending something to the statement. That one I'll put in the brackets, so it will calculate the addition of laptop and the mobile price. Laptop, here you have to use the plus sign and mention the variable name. That is it. That is it for addition operation. Just execute this program. See, you got perfect output. 25,000 plus 8,000, it is 33,000. We got correct output. The addition operator is done. And left out operators are subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, and modulus operator. Till that it is same. Just I'll copy this entire statement. I'll change the sign in the statements. The second statement is for subtraction. The third statement is for multiplication. Fourth statement is for division, and the fifth statement is for modulus. Just I need to change the sign here. That is for multiplication, and this is for division, and the fifth one is for modulus operation. Just execute this program and you will see the output on the screen. This is the addition of two prices, laptop and mobile. The second statement is for subtraction. We got correct output. And the multiplication of laptop price and the mobile prices, we got correct result. This is a division of the two prices. The last statement is for modulus of two prices. That is the correct output. And the last two operators are left out: increment operator and decrement operator. How to do that, I'll show it in within a minute. For increment operator, just you need to mention the sign at the end of the operands. Now you can print out, you can print the result. Increment of laptop price is, just I'm here amending the laptop operand, I mean the variable, put semicolon. Increment operator is used to increase the value by 1. So what is the right now the laptop price is 25,000. It should return 25,001 in the result. Execute this program. Yes, we got the correct output. In the similar fashion, decrement operator will works. Here I'm taking mobile variable. Just I'm using the sign decrement operator. After that, I'm printing the statement. Just amend the variable name. Yes. Right now the mobile price is 8,000. It should return me the 7,999. Let us execute this program. Yes, that is the expected result. That is working fine. Yeah, we are done with the arithmetic operators. The next operator is relational operators. For understanding the relational operators, you should know what are control statements. Just I'll copy this thing and I'll paste it here for the reference purpose. Control statements in Java, it is used for control the program execution. There are 4 types of control statements. The first statement is if statement, and the second statement is Ifelse statement, and the third statement is Ifelse If statement, and the fourth statement is switch statement. Let me comment with these statements. Just I have used a multi-line comment for understanding the control statement concept. First, if statement, we have one syntax. That is a if is a keyword here. This is a condition you have to mention inside the brackets. If this condition trues, then only it will execute the inside statement. Otherwise, it will not execute any statements within this if statement. I'll show it in the Eclipse IDE how to declare if statement and how to define the conditions. If is a keyword, here I am mentioning laptop price is 25,000. Here I am mentioning 30,000. Just I am printing something here. I am taking laptop. This statement will execute. I need to put the double quotes for these statements. The laptop price is 25,000 and I have mentioned 30,000. 25,000 is equal to 30,000? No, condition will get failed. So that time it will not execute. It will return empty result. It will not print anything here. If this condition is got false, that's why it is not printing anything. If laptop price is mention it as 25,000, now you execute it. You got I am taking laptop. Because this condition got true, then only it is executing inside the statements. That is it for if statement. The second statement is if else statement. It is similar to the if statement, only the keyword you have to use else keyword. This is the syntax for if else statement. If statement is exactly same as it is like if, and else is a different part here added to the if part. I'll show it in the Eclipse IDE how to use if else statement. If statement I have declared it already. Here I am declaring else part. Here just I am printing something. Laptop. Yeah, that is it. Okay, if condition is true, it will execute this statement. If the condition is false, then only it will come to the else part. Here condition is true, it is printing I am taking laptop. Here I'll make changes. 26,000 I'll make. Now the condition is false. 25,000 is not equal to 26,000. So it will print result as I will not take laptop. Let us execute this program. I will not take laptop. Yeah, that is it for if else statement. And the third statement is if else if statement. The it is also follows the same syntax. If statement, after that else statement, after else statement it will come another if statement. I'll show in the Eclipse ID how to use that if else if statement. I have defined if else statement. For that only I will make some modifications. Here I'll mention again one more condition. Laptop equal to 25,000. Here I will mention another else part. System dot out dot println prints nothing. If this condition is false, it will comes to the else part. If this condition is true, then only it will execute this condition. Otherwise, it will if this condition is false, again it will execute else part. Laptop is equal to 25,000. Yes, this condition will true. Then it will execute this thing. So just I'll make some modification in the laptop price. So again here also this condition got failed. So this time it will execute else part only. Prints nothing, it should print. That is the expected result. Execute this program, prints nothing. Yeah, we got expected result. That is it for the if else if statement. Switch statement I will cover it in the at the end of this video session. The second operator is relational operator. Just I will copy these things for the reference purpose in the Eclipse IDE. Relational operator is used to find out the relation between the two operands or two values. That is correct. Here this is the operator for equal to. I have used already here. It compares the two values and it returns. If based on the result, it execute the statements in the if else part. This is not equal to statement is almost equal to the different values. Like if one value of one operand is not matching with the another operand or the values, that time it will return you the some results. Here only I will make some variation in the statement. Just I will delete these statements. This is for the equal to operator, and the second one is not equal to. Here we have laptop price is equal to 25,000. Use not equal to operator. 25,000 is not equal to 26,000. Yes, the result is true. The condition is true. Then it will execute this statement. I am taking the laptop. That is correct. And the another statement is I will not take laptop here because these two values are very different. If two values are different, then only we have to execute the one statement, that is called I'm taking the laptop here. And the third operator in the relation operator is greater than. Here just I'll change the sign. Laptop price is 25,000 is greater than 26,000. Yes, correct. Just execute this program, you'll come to know whether the result is true or not. Yes, that is correct. 25,000 is greater than the 26,000. 25,000 is greater than the 26,000. Is that correct? Yes, 26,000 is a greater than. That means it is true. That's why it is executing the inside statements. And the fourth operator is less than. Okay, yes, that should be false. Previous condition. Sorry for that. Laptop price is 25,000 here, and I have mentioned 26,000. 25,000 is greater than 26,000. No, that's why it is executing false statement. Did you got it? Sorry for the wrong. I will not take any laptop. That is printing correct exact result. The fourth statement is less than up. Now I'm using the less than operator here. Now it should print this statement. I'm taking the laptop. Yes, it is printing correct. I'm taking the laptop. The fifth operator is greater than or equal to. Just I need to change the sign, greater than or equal to. Yes, 25,000 is greater than 26,000. The answer is, the condition is false, so it should execute false statement. That is correct. It is giving the correct result. Here the next operator is less than equal to operator. Equal to, just change the sign here. 25,000 is less than or equal to 26,000. The condition is true, then it should execute inside the if statement. Just execute this program. I am taking the laptop. Yes, it is returned correct result here. Yeah, that is it for the operators things. And another concept is switch statement here. Just I'll create one more class. I'll mention the class name here. Just I'll import main method and generate command checkbox. Click on finish button. Here just delete these things. Okay. Switch statement can be used when multiple conditions are there in the program. For example, college student grade. Student can get any grade, I mean multiple grade he can get. So like that, so multiple conditions you have to mention. So here I'm just declaring one variable called grade equal to something, I'll mention EA. I'll show you what is the syntax for switch statement. This is the syntax for switch statement. Switch is a keyword here, and under that you have to mention the expression. You have to open the braces, and here case 1 is nothing but one condition. Case 2 is nothing but second condition. Here you can, like that, you can write n number of conditions. So for each case, For each condition you have to mention at the end of the line called a break statement. So after executing each condition, whichever the expression trues the condition, that statement will execute and it will break after executing the test condition. And there will be a one default. This is not a mandatory to write in the program. If any of these condition is true, then only it will execute default statement in the any program. I'll show you in the Eclipse IDE how to use that. Just here I'm mentioning the switch. I am using the switch keyword. After that, this is a keyword, switch is a keyword. Just I'm mentioning the some expression here that is called grade. Here you have to write the case A. Here I'm writing the sum statement. If student taken a grade called A, I'm just mentioning the excellent keyword for them, and I need to mention break in each case at the end of the test condition. Case 2 I'm mentioning system.out.println well done. I am writing it into the screen. Just here I am writing break statement after each case, and here I am writing default condition .out.println. 1 second, here something wrong, should be default dot mentioning print nothing, or you can mention invalid grade, invalid grade. If expression is true, then it will execute any of these cases, case A or case B, or you can write n number of cases like that. Here I have mentioned A. Now it should print excellent in my screen. Let us execute this program. Yes, that is correct. If the grade is invalid, like I'll give F, that time it should execute invalid grade statement, because if condition is if the expression is not matches in any of the case 1, case 2, case 3 or case n, if the programmer is defined called default statement, that should be executed. Let me execute this program. Invalid grade, that is expected result, that is working fine. I think I have covered all the concepts for the today's agenda. If you have any queries, please write an email to the badkkaPPAC@gmail.com, or else you can send out an WhatsApp message to the 843-125-3007. That is it for the today's video session. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.